This summer, my garden taught me some tough lessons. I started out with high hopes, but reality set in fast. Gardening is as much about learning from failure as it is about celebrating success. I made mistakes, big ones. Some days I felt frustrated and even a little embarrassed. But every gardener, no matter how experienced, faces setbacks. It's all part of the journey. Every mistake is a chance to grow smarter. I started keeping a journal, jotting down what went wrong and what I could do better next time. Today, I'm sharing my biggest garden slip-ups of the season and how you can avoid them. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned grower, these lessons can save you time and heartache. No garden is perfect. Behind every beautiful harvest photo there are weeds, failed experiments, and plants that just didn't make it. And that's okay. My first mistake? Overcrowding. I tried to fit as many plants as possible into every inch of soil, thinking more plants meant more harvest. But plants need space to thrive. Airflow dropped, diseases crept in, and my yields actually went down. The fix: give each plant breathing room. Follow spacing guidelines and thin out seedlings if needed. The second mistake: inconsistent watering. I underestimated how much water my garden needed, especially during hot spells. I started mulching deeply and watering consistently, ideally in the morning. Mulch helps retain moisture and keeps the soil temperature steady. The third mistake was pushing my soil too hard. I kept planting without giving the soil a chance to recover. The solution: add compost between plantings, use mineral amendments, and rotate your crops. Healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving garden. Another big mistake: waiting too long to act on pests. I noticed beetles early on, but didn't act until the damage was obvious. Now I scout my garden at least twice a week. Early detection is key. Catching pests early means simple, organic solutions work, like neem oil or just squashing eggs before they hatch. And finally, harvesting too late. I let cucumbers, zucchini, and beans stay on the vine too long. They got oversized, tough, and lost their flavor. The fix: harvest regularly. Pick veggies when they're young and tender for the best taste and to keep plants producing. So there you have it, my biggest garden mistakes this summer. I hope sharing these helps you avoid the same pitfalls. Every season is a fresh start. Learn from my slip-ups and your next harvest will be even better. Enjoy the journey, mistakes and all.